Good morning, SK.
Good morning, SK.
Welcome back, SK.
Good morning, South.
Kicking your can all over the place, singing, we will rock you.
Good morning, SK. I'm Wyatt.
And I'm Tristan. Let's start out the show with some sports news. Wyatt, take it away.
Spring sports registrations are open. Those include track and field, baseball, fast pitch, boys soccer, girls tennis, and girls water polo. First day is on February 28th. So sign up quickly and make sure you have a current physical on deck. Head to the athletics office for more information. Want to be a part of our broadcasts for basketball Friday or Saturday? Then your time is running out. See Mr. Pickard or Swagger today as we are looking for commentators for the upcoming senior night games. Speaking of the senior night games, NJROTC members, if you need some community service hours, come down to the court at 5:45 Friday night and put in some hours helping us live stream the ladies game. Speaking of sports, make sure you buy your tickets ahead of time to skip the line at tinyurl.com/SK Sports Tickets. Last night, wrestling faced Bethel. JV dominated, not losing a single match. Varsity was a little closer, but SK came away with a big 54-21 team win. Matches of note were those by Stone Hartford, Mitchell Niner, Ben Laws, Jacob Gatlin, Philip Chobot, David Young, as they all won by pin. If you missed the match, you can always watch it on our YouTube channel. They have their last home meet tomorrow.
On to some general news. Sophomores, juniors, and seniors, remember to complete your high school and beyond plan on Zello. Seniors especially, yours is due when the semester ends, so complete it soon. If you don't, there will be mandatory Zello sessions taking place Wednesday mornings and Fridays after school. Pre-orders for your book end in 5 days, so if you want to order one, you should probably do it sooner rather than later. Interested in a live webinar with scientists about the sex lives of coral? If yes, then come by room 228 next Wednesday for a seaside chat with Dr. Davies of the National Marine Sanctuary. Question, see Ms. Painter.
Seniors, your next bit is for you. Kitsap County Public Works is hiring seasonal workers for graduating seniors. Grab a packet from the Career Center for more information, and don't forget to check the board outside the center for more job listings. If anyone has ever asked you, what are your plans after graduation, and you reply the shipyard, then there's an opportunity for you. If you apply for PSNS now, you have a chance to get hired this summer after graduating. There are entry-level positions with Shop 38 Marine Machinery Mechanics. Make sure you stop by the Career Center and ask if you need any help.
Many colleges and universities are still accepting applications. Private schools should also be under your radar, as many of them give merit scholarships, which really bring down the cost of tuition. Speaking of bringing tuition down, scholarships are still available on the Career Center website. In club news, Builders of Unity is starting a series on 7 inspiring activists for social. They will be viewing and discussing the young activist story. From LGBTQ support to fighting the closure of Black and Hispanic schools to global warming, these students' passions led them to make a difference. You don't have to be a leader to make a difference, but you do have to show up. They meet on Fridays in 228. Meeting today is the brand new Poetry Club. They'll meet in room 332. Also meeting today are esports, international, QSA, Spanish, and speech and debate. And the clubs meeting tomorrow are art, ceramics, DECA, German, Japanese, and yearbook.
Don't forget that the school board is holding a virtual town hall tonight. Find out what's going on around SK and maybe ask some questions of your own. The meeting will be held via Zoom and starts at 6. Find out how you can join by going to the school district's website. Anyways, that's all for today. I'm Wyatt.
And I'm Tristan. See you later, SK.